Fugro Survey is a global leader in marine and geoscience services. Their survey reports contain valuable proprietary data and analysis. Each report is a large effort that's a time-consuming project, including subject matter experts and specialized equipment. The scale and investment in each report required Fugro to find a solution that would prevent the reports from falling into the wrong hands. When competitors gained access, they were able to undercut Fugro in contract negotiations. Traditional protections like passwords and USB restrictions were not effective. Fugro needed to stop leaks, whether they were accidental or intentional. Fugro turned to SecLaw to protect sensitive data at the file level. They applied granular policies on files, controlling view, copy, edit, print, and share. These protections traveled with the file, even when it left the organization. They also gained the power to remotely revoke access when projects ended or contracts expired. All of this was achieved while maintaining a smooth experience for legitimate users. The impact was significant. Fugro eliminated 95% of its security threats tied to document leaks. By protecting data until payments were secured or contracts were valid, they prevented competitors from gaining an unfair advantage. Teams across Fugro also began extending this protection to more file types, making data-centric security a seamless part of daily operations. The takeaway for security leaders is clear. The greatest risk isn't where data travels, it's when control doesn't travel with it. With SecLaw's persistent protection, granular permissions, and the ability to revoke access at any time, Fugro ensures ownership and visibility stay intact wherever its data goes. To learn more, check out the Fugro case study via the link in the caption.